How to recover deleted Snap messages. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Snapchat application. Log in with your account details. Click on your profile icon at the top left corner. Go to settings and scroll all the way down until you see the option of My Data. Simply click on that option. Now here, you can simply choose what type of data you want to recover. So toggle on the feature of export your memories, chat media and shared story. Then after, toggle on all the feature of chat history and click on next. Now choose the time period. I will simply choose here all time and click on next. After that, in short period of time, you will receive an email in your Gmail account of the copy of your data. Simply click on it and you will be able to export all the messages till the date from your Snapchat account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.